I'm Ajay. Previously, I used to work at IBM as a DevOps engineer. So I just joined a Infinity course so that it helps me to learn different AI technologies and tools which are available in. I chose a technical track as my path. So in technical track, I thought we can learn deep into technologies, how AI tools are built and how we can build an AI model and applications on AI. AI Infinite is a wonderful course. I think everyone needs to go through this course once, go through the structure, go through their website, and know what the program is about. This course definitely upskills you. It will reimagine how you think of AI and how you use of AI.